So we announced that we're pregnant and now we're coming into our third trimester. And I just wanted to give you a little update on how it's going here at the Miller house. Now, this is not a documentary, but it's just gonna let us know of the places we'll go with an adult child who's about to be a dad. I made the bed, picked up clothes, gave the dogs a bath, worked on laundry, vacuuming, cleaned up the bathroom after giving the dogs a bath, dog laundry, mopped the floor, painted and finished this dresser. Don't worry, Brant will take credit for that on vintage statements. Clean the shelves. Now putting it all back away. Namaste. And did an hour of yoga. Now y'all may wonder, what did my husband do today?
My back hurts. My feet are a little swollen. I feel a little crampy too.
Well, I hope resting and watching that football game helps. So I thought this third trimester I'd get a little bit more help inside the house as I got bigger, but I don't know. Here's another example. Hey, Brant.
Did you drop something on the floor you need me to come grab it for you?
No. What do you want for dinner?
Just make what you want.
I'd
I'm
love.
good with anything.
Well, I'd love some input.
Pizza. Let's do pizza.
No, Brant. I'm not doing dairy this trimester.
Sucks for you, but now I want pizza.
Oh God.
Hey Marie, I can't find any underwear.
They're in the top left drawer where they always are.
If that's where my underwear is, then where do I have my shirts?
In the closet where I hang them. Hey, by the way, your outfit doesn't match. Go change. Hey, Brant, on this commercial, can you go and do the dryer?
I don't think we have a laundry room in this house, so we don't have a dryer.
Yeah, we do. I do laundry every day.
I thought you went to the store and just got new clothes all the time.
No!
Then what's all those packages that we get every week?
Ugh, Brant, just go empty the dryer. Hey, Brant, we don't have too many weekends left. What do you want to do in like November and December?
It's gonna be like perfect weather to go mountain biking. So let's definitely do some of that. We can go hit some trails around here. I'm thinking like soon. We gotta definitely do it soon. But let's go to Flagstaff and do Mount Humphreys. Hike all the way up there. That was a lot of fun last time we did that. But really what I want to talk about, I've been thinking about this idea, is like an epic snowboarding trip. We hit up Utah, we hit up Colorado, we spent like 2 weeks just trying to hit the best slopes and have like the best time ever. We can do that like December, January timeframe.
Hey, Brant, I'm in my third trimester. I can't mountain bike anymore, and I'm probably not hiking Humphreys this trimester. Plus, December, we'll have a baby, so we can't just like go snowboarding.
So, you want to... Those are all fun things.
Oh, man. It's always fun having adult conversations with Brant and having him help me make some decisions on the stuff with the baby. Like, for example, I've got some stuff pulled up for the nursery. Hey, Brant?
Yeah.
Hey,
Did you drop something on the floor? Do you need me to come pick it up?
No, can you come help me? I want to order some pictures for the nursery and some bookcases, and maybe look at some photographers for. Do you want to do maternity pictures?
I'll be right there.
Where are you going? All kidding aside, I promise he actually has been really helpful. He even brought me this little mocktail so I can sit in the backyard and watch him play with the dogs.
Marie, go get a tape measure because I'm about to jump 25 feet in the air with this dog.